Why are you upside down on a chair, Dave? Sarah asked, chuckling. Dave replied, It's my last hope to cure these hiccups. He had tried holding his breath, scaring himself, even drinking water from the wrong side of the glass, but nothing worked. His friend Bob then handed him a spoonful of sugar. Trust me, this will work, Bob said confidently. Dave took the sugar, but his hiccups persisted. Did you Google this? Sarah inquired. Bob shrugged. I saw it in a cartoon. Determined, Dave finally called his grandma. Honey, just hang up and count to 10, she said wisely. Dave followed her advice, and miraculously, his hiccups stopped. Grandma always knows best, Dave declared, relieved. The room burst into laughter as they realized the simplest solution was a phone call away.